How to report fraud in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in securely using your fingerprint, face recognition, or passcode to access your account. Once you are logged in, tap the Help tab or directly tap on Chat or Direct Call under Contact Us in the home screen. Then you will be guided through the steps to report any suspicious activity or fraud on your account. Follow the instructions carefully to provide all necessary details about the fraudulent transaction or activity you have noticed. Once you report the fraud, Barclays will provide a reference number and begin their investigation. You will receive an acknowledgement letter within 7 working days, and in some cases, you may be given a temporary refund while your case is being reviewed. If you believe your card details has been compromised, you can also freeze or cancel your card directly from the app to prevent any further unauthorized transactions. Remember, it's important to report fraud as soon as possible to protect your money and personal information. Now you know how to report fraud in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.